What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Now this video is brought to you by Addict and these are all the things that we are going to unbox today. So before we get started with the unboxing, let's put this aside and talk about Addict. Now if you haven't seen my previous video when I spoke about the Addict is a bot by the way. So you can go and watch this video of mine for a detailed opinion about that bot. But any which ways, we're going to talk a little in brief about that bot today again. So Addict basically is the most fastest and most reliable iOS bot. iOS bot means a bot that you can use to buy sneakers and streetwear on retail via your iPhone. Now keep in mind one thing, this bot works from India and not in India. This means that you cannot use this bot to buy sneakers and streetwear on Indian websites. But what you can do is sitting here in India, you can try it on the brand's own websites or many other websites from the whole long list that they have in their bot. So basically Addict works on around 85 plus websites, that is Supreme, Bape, Adidas, Yeezy and many more, which you can go and see inside the bot once you purchase one. Apart from that, this bot basically costs about $130 and has no renewal fees. So it's a one-time fee. So once you buy this bot, you will keep getting free updates throughout life and they only make it better with every single update. Also, you have to keep in mind that this bot is not easily available as the moment it restocks, it kind of sells out. So it basically works like how the Supreme website works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link in description box below where you can go and sign up, and as soon as they are about to restock the bot, you will be notified, and after which you can go on the link and purchase a bot for yourself. So recently a lot of the users have been getting a lot of success through the bot as they have been copying all the sneakers and the streetwear that have released of late. So here are some success stories that some of the users were able to copy using the Addict bot. And one last thing about the bot, when you purchase one, you also get access to their free Discord group where they give you all the tips, tricks and guides on how to use the bot better and how you can probably succeed in buying something that you want. So that was Addict. To know more about the bot, you can definitely go and search on YouTube as they have their own channel where they explain everything along with live cops and many other things. So don't forget to check that out. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Now before I start with the sneaker unboxing, let me quickly show you a couple of other things that I got along with the package. So first is this tee from Supreme. So basically I got a couple of t-shirts in black because black is obviously my favorite color and you can never go wrong with it. So this is the Supreme Motion logo tee. I also have one in dark green if you have seen in my previous post or one of the videos, I'm not very sure. Next I got this another t-shirt from Supreme, which is the Yohji Yamamoto recent collaboration. Here it is, this one, basic simple tee, and yeah, again in black, nothing special about it. And last is another tee, again in black. Like I said, black is my favorite color, everyone's is, no doubt about that. So this is the Supreme Futura Futura logo tee in black. Once again, I have another one in blue that's in this post that you have seen before. So yeah, those were a couple of tees from Supreme. Now apart from this, I got some Eric Emanuel shorts. Now the first time I got the Eric Emanuel shorts were I think last month, which I got them in 4 different colorways, and unfortunately I did not, or I forgot to show that in any of the unboxing videos before, and a lot of you people were curious and wanted to know what shorts I'm wearing in a couple of photos and stories. So now I got 2 more colorways in the same shorts, so I thought let me just give you a brief idea about how this works. So basically these are basketball shorts in mesh and they are extremely comfortable. I don't think I have worn any other shorts that's as comfortable as these. So these cost about $100 per shorts, and you can buy them off Eric Emanuel's website itself. Now you got to be a little quick. You will get a couple of minutes to buy them in time, but if not, then they will sell out like any other hyped website. And yeah, the duties and all is the same for any apparels that we've discussed before multiple times. It should be about 50 to 60% landed in India. So that's what you need to know about Eric Emanuel shorts if that interests you. Now let me quickly open this up and show you the 2 colorways that I got. One is in this gray with the black logo, and the second one is in black. Second one is in black with a gray metallic logo. So these were the Eric Emanuel shorts. Let's put them aside and move on to the best part of the video, that is Air Jordan 3 fragments that I'm sure a lot of you people wanted to see. I myself was extremely excited, but something went wrong with my earlier order, and that is the reason it got delayed. So now I have finally got it here. So without wasting any more time, oh sorry, by the way, one more thing, that you've seen me wearing this Jordan fragment hoodie that is also from the same collection like the shoe. So I got this one too just now, and for about $200. I think it's pretty nice. The fitting is like any other Nike Jordan apparel. So yeah, that's about it. Let's go ahead and open up the Jordan Fragment 3s. So before we get into these Jordan 3s, let me just talk about my past and my experience or my history with the Fragment Jordans. Like you all know, or most of you know maybe if you are my regular viewer, that I had got the Jordan 1 Fragments finally after a long time around my birthday, that is in August. And unfortunately after a couple of weeks I realized that they were fake, and luckily I was able to send it back and get my refund. So that's kind of my past with Fragments, and I've tried many times to get that shoe, but for some reason or the other I never got it. So this time when the Jordan 3 Fragment were released, I was extremely hyped about it and I just wanted it at any cost. But nevertheless, the prices really dropped as the quantities were very high and a lot of people were able to cop. So these were expected to be at around $1,000 plus, but unfortunately came down to $500-600 because of the undercutting in the market and a lot of people tried to sell their pairs. So I got them for about $500, no, I think about $550 from StockX. And yeah, so now let's talk about some details. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is in this new theme of blue with the Jumpman logo on it, and inside the box you have this butter paper, which is again with the Fragment and Jumpman logo on it. So you can also see this color and the design theme on the hoodie also, as they have used the blue Fragment on the chest. So coming to the shoe, this is my first ever Jordan 3s. I don't really have anything to compare to, but my younger brother, my cousin, had a Jordan 3 Fire Red or University Red, whatever you call it, and I think this shoe is in line with that, as the quality overall feels extremely nice. I don't understand the hate around the shoe because people are saying that there is not much done on the shoe and it could have been better, but you have to keep in mind that Fragment has always been a minimalist brand, and the best part about that brand and its design is the simplicity in it. So that is what we have seen in this particular pair. So let's take a look at some details. So the upper is in complete leather with the black stripe around it, which is ideally supposed to be elephant print like in any other Jordan 3s. Then you get this Fragment logo on the heel of the shoe and this code and marking on the midsole, and along with that you get the new style heel tab, which is translucent with the Jumpman logo and also the Fragment logo underneath. Apart from that, you get this Fragment marking on the inside of the tongue on both the pairs, and a white outsole with black hits and the Nike logo on it. So yeah, that's about it. Doesn't come with any extra pair of laces or anything of that sort. It's pretty basic, but I must say that quality feels really good. Again, I'm not sure how other Jordan 3s exactly feel, but this one definitely is really nice and simplistic. So that's about it. I don't have much to talk about this shoe. As you know, it's a Fragment Jordan pair and it is one of the most simplistic and minimalist designs ever. Now talking about the value of the shoe, they are currently going for about $500 to $700 in most sizes. The bigger sizes are slightly expensive. Now since this is a white pair and the fact that they are going for so cheap right now, I am very sure in a short period of time there won't be enough pairs left in DS, and that is when the prices will start rising. And not only that, as people see that no more fragments are going to release and the Jordan 1 fragments are simply breaking the roof in terms of pricing, so eventually the demand is going to come back and a lot of people will want to be a part of the Fragment Jordan collaboration. So they will have no choice but to buy these shoes, and that is when the prices will start rising. So I would suggest if you have about $500 to spare, you should definitely invest in these shoes and probably hold it for a long time. Keep in mind when the Jordan 1 fragments came out, they were also not selling for as high as they are selling today, but that's what usually happens. So the people who buy it at the bottom and stick around for a long time, they are the ones who make the real money. Now before I end this video, let's go ahead and see how they look on feet. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.